recording. So today is the 8th. 8th is my lucky day. Today is the 8th December 2024, and we are at a Sunday Fun Aging call. And the topic today is by Ruxana. Thank you. Goals and target versus targets. So, आपके क्या life goals हैं? All the DJCCs. You know what DJCC is, Ruxana?
No.
Okay, all decisions, judgments, conclusions and competitions. फिर आगे है PES juniors. All the projections, expectations, separations, judgments and rejections. ये लेके जो आए हो यहाँ पे, कोई भी इसमें से या सारे, और अपनी जिंदगी में इनसे जीते हो, डिसीजन से, जजमेंट से, प्रोजेक्शन से, एक्सपेक्टेशन से, सेपरेशन से, रिजेक्शन से कंक्लूड करते हो, कंप्यूट करते हो, तो वो आज इस वक्त के लिए, इस घंटे के लिए, क्या हम उसको बाय बाय कर सकते हैं? इस घंटे में क्या हम न्यू, if we could get something out of this hour, what would that be? Dane always starts his class with this. If you could get something out of this, what would that be? If your goal was to get something from this 1 hour, so what would that be, Ruxana?
Magic and miracle.
Wow. Magic and miracle.
Every 10 seconds.
Awesome. And magic and miracle every 10 seconds के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? कि कुछ भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा, कि बहुत कुछ करना पड़ेगा? कि
नहीं, कुछ भी अब नहीं करना है, बहुत कर लिया, अब कुछ नहीं करना है, जस्ट सरेंडर एंड फ्लोट.
ओके, तो लाइफ का कोई गोल नहीं है?
नहीं, अब आपने बोला तब से अब छोड़ा है और टारगेट पकड़ना है ना.
चलो, गोल
गोल
या
नहीं.
टारगेट दोनों में से कुछ भी क्या है?
सबसे लेविस और लग्जरी लाइफ तो बेज है अब. और फिर वर्ल्ड टूर करना है, फिर डॉटर की अच्छी से शादी करनी है, फिर उसके बच्चे को खिलाना है, सारे ये गोल ही है.
ओके, तो गोल्स कभी बड़े भी हो सकते हैं और छोटे भी हो सकते हैं, पर्सनल भी हो सकते हैं और ऑन अ लार्जर स्केल भी हो सकते हैं, गोल्स या टारगेट्स. तो आपका क्लियर गोल ये है कि आपने एंजॉय करना है, और बच्चों को भी एंजॉय करना है, और वर्ल्ड को भी एंजॉय करना है, और अपने आप को भी एंजॉय, जो मुझे समझ में आई है. ओके, so that is what you care about. That is what lightens you up. That is gives you the joy in every now moment. Is that right?
यस.
So ये गोल सिर्फ, आपका कोई बिजनेस भी है?
मैं हीलिंग ही करती हूँ.
अच्छा, सो उसमें भी कोई गोल?
और उसमें गोल है, एवरीबॉडी कैन हेल्दी रहे, वेल्दी रहे और हैप्पी रहे. एवरीवन, ये बर्थराइट होना चाहिए सबका.
ऑल राइट. सो एक्चुअली मैंने बहुत बार सुना है एक्सेस में कि जो डिक्शनरी 1946 से पहले थी, उस डिक्शनरी में गोल का मीनिंग क्या था? जेल. Original definition of the word goal is jail. If you achieve a goal, if you get a goal to your liking, if you have achieved that and you haven't acknowledged it, you are stuck. But if you make a target, you can shoot at it 1,000 times Even if you don't hit the bullseye, you hit the bullseye. It is excitement and fun. You can do it again. You can do it again. But goal is something serious matter. If you don't achieve it, you will make yourself wrong. You will make your world wrong. You will make people around you who could be a contribution to your goal. Oh, sorry, guys. Uh, let me click on Facebook to go live and on Insta Live. Oh my God, I just forgot. Never mind, we will say it again, whatever it comes up. So I am now live on Insta and on Facebook. So what were we talking about? The topic today is goals versus targets. Courtesy, Ruxana. Thank you. And I was talking about a goal that we achieve. If we set a goal that I am going to make, say, 5 lakhs. Let's keep a smaller goal for the time being. If I'm going to make 5 lakhs at the end of the year or in 6 months, and that, hi Shivani, and if that is my goal, then if I don't achieve it, what happens? When you don't achieve your goal, what happens? You make yourself wrong. You make
टेंशन
everybody else around
स्ट्रेस
you wrong. Sorry?
टेंशन स्ट्रेस अलग से
You say stress, you do tension, you make it, you think you're not good enough, your self-esteem goes down just because you've decided that you were supposed to make. And so even if you achieve this much, you will not be grateful to yourself. You will not acknowledge it because you wanted that. What if you could every day be in gratitude of what you did? And that would be not a goal, but a target. Whatever you will achieve day to day or moment by moment, you will acknowledge it. The moment you don't acknowledge it, whatever you have received, you have stuck yourself. And I was talking about that in Access, we talk a lot about the dictionaries. Please get hold of them if you can. The dictionaries before 1946. They changed the dictionary after 1946 to fit this reality. In that reality, the original definition of the word goal was jail. Is jail original. And if you achieve a goal, like I said just now, you will make yourself wrong if you don't. And even if you achieve a little, you will not, most of us, you will not, it's not, I can't say it for sure, but most of us don't acknowledge it. But if you make a target, you can shoot 1,000 times. अगर वो bullseye नहीं भी hit करती, तो भी you're glad it's closer, right? So there is a difference between goal and target. If you have a purpose or a goal, we create limitations. क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं बस वही है, हमारी जिंदगी का गोल वही है, और हम अपना ब्लाइंडर्स पहन लेते हैं और हमें कुछ और दिखाई नहीं देता, सिर्फ वही दिखाई देता है, और हमें जिंदगी का मकसद वो नजर आता है और हम सोचते हैं कि और उसके अलावा कुछ है ही नहीं है, एंड देन वी confine ourselves to the limitations of that goal. But if you have an ongoing target, it will expand with every awareness. Oh, इधर नहीं तो फिर मैं इधर घूम करके गए, ये नहीं तो मैं ये चुन, ये नहीं तो मैं वो सही. You get the awareness of it, Ruxana?
यस कवर. और फन भी मिलता है, एक्साइटमेंट भी रहता है, और वो गोल में सब मिसिंग होता है, बस बर्डन लेके करो.
Burden leakage. So right. Hi, Sushmona, and hi, Rupal. And Manisha. Lovely to have you guys here. So,
Hi, good morning.
good morning. कुछ भी आपने डिसाइड कर लिया अगर कि ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. I cannot overcome this. It could be money, body, house, sex, whatever. And you have reasons and justifications for that. क्यों नहीं हो सकता? अगर कोई चीज करनी है तो भी रीजन और जस्टिफिकेशन चाहिए, अगर कोई चीज नहीं करनी है तो भी रीजन और जस्टिफिकेशन चाहिए. What if everything was just for fun? Without having a reason or justification, without telling anybody what you are going or not going to do. What if we could tell people what they are willing to hear? So, anybody has any questions on this? Nobody. What is coming, I will just say it. When you have a target of, say, target is not, according to me, is not specific. Like, I have to hit the bullseye. It is like, how can I achieve something that's the bullseye? And then you are working towards it. Even if you hit outside the circle, you are still working towards it. What can I do different? Okay, this didn't work. What can I do different that will create the result I'm looking for? And like Ruxana said, the excitement and the joy of achieving something is always there. And we get very serious in achieving a goal. This reality is all about how to fit in. Parents try to make you fit into the family, into their culture. Society wants you to fit into. और साथ में बोलते रहते हैं, गलतियां निकालते रहते हैं, ये नहीं ठीक किया, वो नहीं ठीक किया. You are the black sheep. To get us to do what they want us to do, they have to make us wrong. Of course, the world is changing. I have seen in schools and at home, people are now encouraging their children more, like Ruxana. हमारे जमाने में कहाँ कोई कहता था कि तुम चुन सकती हो, तुम बहुत स्मार्ट हो, तुम्हें क्या. हमें तो ये बोला जाता था, अपने आप को क्या समझती है. We couldn't go against what they were saying. So thought we didn't have any other choice.
अभी तो अच्छा खासा फ्रीडम मिल रहा है बच्चों को. ये तो कहते थे कि हड्डी हमारी और गोश्त तुम्हारा। टीचर्स को भी ऐसे बोल के आते थे।
बिल्कुल, आगे तो गोली होता था ना, पढ़ लो थोड़ी सी। मेरे को तो अंग्रेजी स्कूल में डाल दिया था कि इंग्लिश थोड़ी बोलेगी तो अच्छा लड़का मिल जाएगा। इवन दो इट वाज एक्सपेंसिव एंड दे डिडंट वांट टू स्पेंड द मनी, बट जिन लड़की को फिट कराना था कहीं, उनका गोल यही था कि उसको कोई अच्छा लड़का मिल जाए। हु गारंटीज कि अच्छा लड़का कौन सा होगा? And we've always been trying to run away from everything. Imaginary set of criteria hai that this universe has defined कि आपको करना चाहिए। और फिर हम वंडर करते हैं why our bodies are not working, why our relationships are not working, you know, just because we've given that manual कि इसी तरीके से जीना है और कोई तरीका नहीं है। We have a compulsion to follow their norms, their way of. What about living on your own terms? एक मेज में डाल देते हैं हमको फिट इन करने के लिए, और देर इज ओनली अबाउट फिटिंग इन, बेनिफिट, लूज एंड विन। यही चार चीजें हैं जो आपको बताई जाएंगी। इसमें क्या धोखा, क्या मिलेगा, क्या नहीं मिलेगा, इसके क्या बेनिफिट हैं, इसको फिट कर, सोसाइटी में फिट और फैमिली में फिट करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए। दोज आर दी ओनली गोल्स दैट वी हैव seen growing up, because they have decided this is the right, and you have to prove them right, or you have to prove yourself right for following what they are telling you to follow. But creation is a target. You choose to what you'd like to have in your life. What would I like my life to look like is a target. To get to a point where you were joyful, to happy, to where you're creating what you'd like to create. Even if it doesn't work, okay, no, not next. You're not trying to figure out the exact right way or right thing to do. Not that यही मुझे चाहिए। हम डे टू डे में लिखते रहते हैं, हमें फ्यूचर की कोई फिक्र नहीं होती ज्यादा। सिर्फ एक्सेप्ट कि पैसा इकट्ठा कर ले फ्यूचर के लिए, बीमारियों के लिए। और और लाइफ की कोई फिक्र नहीं होती कि लाइफ कैसी होनी चाहिए, हमारी एनर्जी कैसी होनी चाहिए, और रियलाइजिंग दैट वी आर द सोर्स एंड वी आर द क्रिएटर्स। What are we doing? We are manufacturing the limitations of our lives. We bought that what is right and wrong, and we live our life according to that. What's right and wrong for them is can't, it doesn't have to be right and wrong for you.
हाँ, केवल किसी के लिए मैरिज करना नॉर्मल है, किसी के लिए नहीं करना नॉर्मल है। सबकी
Exactly.
अलग अलग डेफिनेशन है ना। तो मैं मेरी लड़की को ऐसा ही बोलती हूँ कि 30 साल की हुई तेरी शादी नहीं हुई, तो मैं क्या, तू क्यों टेंशन लेती है? ये मेरी चॉइस है, करना या नहीं करना, ये मेरी चॉइस है। बोलो ऐसे।
बिल्कुल। हम तो अपनी जिंदगी में एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करते ना। What would it be like to be present with your life in every now moment? what is in this moment that I can have fun with. And if you chose in every moment and made yourself be part of the equation of what you're choosing, wouldn't your present be beautiful? And every present you make beauty becomes your past beautiful, and you get into a habit of making your future beautiful. We don't bother about this moment and we think we will make our future beautiful. You cannot you be the energy of lack and sad and not having yourself in the equation and think that tomorrow you will have. You will have exactly what you have today. You will have exactly what you had yesterday, today. So do you realize how much your life you have manufactured you? And you have created limitations around you. और इसीलिए हमारे में एक सेंटेंस है, what would my, if I choose this, what would my life be 5 years from now? Hi, Monica. Lovely to have you here in the Pal. So if you were to see, if you go into the future 5 years from now, can you, what do you perceive? Okay, if I choose this, whatever you choose, if I choose this, can't hear me? What happened? Can you hear me now? I am muted. No.
तो बोल हमें तो आ रही है आवाज।
नहीं, ये फेसबुक पे कह रहे हैं नहीं आ रही। अब आ रही है क्या? हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी नाउ ऑन फेसबुक प्लीज? हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी नाउ? Nobody is answering. Can somebody go on Facebook and see if it's... Can you hear me now? Hello? Okay, somebody will answer. They think you're muted, we can't hear you. Yes, how does it get any better than this? Sorry. I hope it's recorded on and recorded भी फिर वो muted होगा. Okay, cool. Sorry for that. Hi, Nilu. Hi, Sanitan, Ranjana, Shweta. Lovely to have you guys here. So we were talking about goals versus targets. So if you go into the future, 5 years from now, what energy do you perceive at this moment sitting here? What energy do you perceive? If you could think of something that you would like to change in your life and think of the choices that you're making for that and ask for two choices. We usually have only two, but if you had more, that'd be awesome too. So ask, if I choose this, what would my life be 5 years from now? Because if we are deciding now, we decide from the energy that we be in. But if we asking a question for what would our life be 5 years from now, you are asking in tune, in communion, in sync with, in dance with the universe. And universe can get you to clarity about what this choice will create in 5 years. You can perceive that your life is be more expansive or more contracted. And use that energy as the source of your creation. Today, now, everything that you make a choice, ask, hey, if I make this choice, what would my life look like in 5 years? What would the energy of my life be? Not look like. We are not talking about material thing here. We are talking about every material thing is to get to where you are is joy, glory, isn't it? You think you will get this and then you will get ease, joy, glory. Or if I did this, then I will get, if I had this goal, if I had this target, and if that gets going, then I will have ease, joy, glory. You can have it now. It's a choice that you make in every now moment. I am choosing to be ease, joy, glory, no matter what. But when you make a judgment or a decision, you destroy every potential future you can create from consciousness. Gary keeps saying, and I also have this to some extent, that my target is to spread consciousness. My target is to make everybody, empower everybody, and make them know that they know what is right and good and correct for them. But if you have made any decision at this moment, or you have destroyed the potential of the future that you think is possible. You destroy every potential future you have created from choice, from consciousness. It stops everything dead in the track. And you remember, please remember that you are the source and you are the infinite. You have infinite capacity for creation. Everywhere you have not claimed, owned, and acknowledged till now, would you be willing to claim, own, and acknowledge that you are the source and the infinite being that creates your life? And what can you choose to create a life that you desire? You have the infinite capacity, guys. You just destroy that by coming to decision, by coming to conclusions, by blaming, by judging, by making you wrong, by making everybody else wrong, by going into the result, by coming to decision and judgment. The moment you ask a question, hey, what is possible here that I haven't even considered? Hey, what choices do I have that will create the greater life? Hey, what can I choose here that will give me the joy now and in the future, and the money now and the future, good health now and the future? These decisions and judgments and conclusions actually limit everything in your life. It stops your receiving. What do? I throw my asks. I throw my darts at the map of the universe and ask the universe, hey, like you said, surrender. But you can't surrender to what you think that he is supposed to do. He, she, it, higher power, God doesn't do anything. If you're surrendering, ask yourself, what are you surrendering to? Are you surrendering to not make a choice? Are you surrendering to, I can't you do it? Where does the surrender come from? You ask, hey, I would like joyful life. Is joy, glory. Now you surrender. Now you don't go into how I will create that. How is not your job. But ask you have to. How will the universe or God, he, she, it, higher power know what you desire? You will get nothing. So throw dots at the map and ask the universe to show you where to go. That is surrender. And then after that, Let it go. Ask wildness, no with justification and reasons. This is what I'm dying to have. This is what my joy, this is what is coming out of me. Please give it to me. Universe, can I have that now? That is your ask. And the universe will rearrange and gift it to you. You say, I cannot have it because I'm not good enough, because I don't have the money, because I am not educated, because I don't have a good husband, because I don't have good parents to give me money, because. And that is your point of view. Your point of view creates your reality. If your point of view is you can't have it, then you can't have it. Tathastu. You get what I'm saying, guys?
Yes. अब हुआ सरेंडर में भी चॉइस है.
सरेंडर नहीं, सरेंडर बाद में करना है. हम सरेंडर करते नहीं है, हम मांगते हैं, फिर हम वो करना शुरू कर देते हैं. ये देते हैं, फिर ले लेते हैं उससे. तू दे दे, फिर मैं ये करूंगी तो ये करूंगी तो फिर ये होगा तो ये होगा. ये सरेंडर टू द फ्लो, float like you said. Ask questions after you have chosen a target. Make a demand of the universe of your, no, make a demand of yourself and then request the universe. This is what I would like to create. This is what I'd like to have. I wonder what will it take. I wonder what it will look like. I wonder what would it look like, what it would take to show that. Universe, I wonder where I have to go. I have no clue, universe. Hold my hand, take me through, guide me. Gary always says, I got the information of this access, ki kar tu kar. And I didn't know where to go, how to do it. But he kept asking questions. What can I do now? Guide me. And a little bit later, I think he says somebody called him from New York and said, somebody needs channeling. Come over. And he said, I've been asking, and that felt so light when he said that. And I went to New York. While I was assisting him, channeling him, I got the download of these 32 points. How it comes to you, you don't know. Once you ask, then be willing. Then be open with no point of view. That is surrender. उस वक्त बोलना नहीं नहीं मैं नहीं कर देते नहीं वैसे नहीं वैसे नहीं ये नहीं वो नहीं वो नहीं. Surrender is, this is the thought that came to me. Ask a question. Hey, is this what I've been asking for, showing up like this? What do I need to do here? I am confused. At the moment, I don't know. I have no clue. Can you guide me? Can you make it a little more clearer? What energy, space, consciousness can I be to have total clarity and ease? Ask questions again and again. Never stop it. Never go to conclusion. अब मुझे पता लग गया, अब मैं कर लूंगी. You always take the energy along with you of what you want to create in your life. You can't give it up. The moment you give up that energy and go into dumps and go into doubts and go into implants and distractor implants, you have shut down the doors. Like your daughter's looking for the guy. Never in any situation, any time go into any decision Even when you like the guy, even when you know that's the perfect, even she knows, ask, will he create greater? Will we create a fun life together? Will he be caring, nurturing, contributive, expansive? And you get yes, you keep getting yes, 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 go for it. Take your energy of what you want to create in your life. Don't leave it behind. How does it get any better than this? How many of you have consciousness as your target? How many of you have oneness as your target? That includes everything, guys. It's not a bigger target that you have to choose for, and then you are not there. You are there, and you will benefit from being there. You will have no judgment, no conclusion, no thing if you're functioning from the oneness or the consciousness. Or you can have a target for more money. Nothing is wrong or right. You can have target for more relationship, more sex, better reality of your own reality. But if you make anything the target, you've lost you. Sometimes people make access the target to make money. Sorry, it doesn't work that way. If you make the purpose of doing sex, then your life will be better. You will have more sex, you will have more money. Sorry. Whatever you make the purpose of, access becomes what you do not get. There has to be no purpose for choosing anything. It has to be from the joy of it, from the expansion of it, from the fun of it. That's why we say the questions, open-ending questions, not questions like, I want a car. Hey, what would it take for me to get a car? Sorry, not possible. There can only be a demand of you to create more consciousness in the world. Then all of the rest of the stuff comes along for a ride. Are we willing to make consciousness and oneness the target of our lives? Just that target is the energy that you desire is joy, glory. Will pull in everything for gifting you is joy, glory. You get what you're looking for. The energy you sit in, the same energy gets produced. And access target is oneness and consciousness. What is consciousness? It is the willingness to be connected with all things without judgment. And the ability to be aware of all things without judgment. Yes, hai. This is it. Not good, not bad, not right, not wrong, nothing. This is how it is. Now what? What is working for me? What's not working for me? More possibilities start to show up. You have choice of something greater. than what we have been willing to have in the past. Materialistic things we think they will give us joy. They will give us ease, joy, glory that we are looking for. No, that you are. You are ease, your joy, your glory. You give it up because you think it will create greater. No. Communion is the target we are shooting for. Like when you are in nature, when you feel so connected that you don't feel any separation from anything. That is a generative energy. That is an expansive place to be in. What if you could feel that with everybody? If you didn't have judgment, you will feel that with everybody you are with. Then you will allow communion with somebody who's a cheat. But that's not who they are. That's what they are choosing. You can have communion with a cat and a dog more easily than with people. Because animals don't judge you. Birds don't judge you. Flowers don't judge you. Nature doesn't judge you. That's why you can have communion with it. What if we had the target of letting people be who they be? Hello, guys. Hello, Varsha. Varsana. Hey, Kushi. Angela. Lovely to have you guys. Somita. Do we know Somita? Somita, show your shakal. Show your face, darling. Guys, you have any question? I just go on rattling. Hi, how are you? Lovely to have you here. So, the topic today is goal versus targets. You know, we cut off from people because what we are not willing to receive is the judgment from people. But they have those judgment, 99% of those judgment of those people in the world don't judge you guys. They judge themselves. What's coming out of the mouth is what they want for themselves. Either they have it or they don't have it. That's how they judge you. It's got nothing to do with you. It's not personal. If you knew that, would you hate people? They look through their eyes of judgment towards you, thinking that then they will fit into this reality. Am I making any sense, guys? And what is oneness? It is the ability to receive everything, to judge nothing, and allow the entire universe to be what it is. Difficult? No, it isn't. If you remember it, if you remember you are the source and the infinite being, and you are oneness and you are consciousness, then it's not difficult. The moment you bring yourself to finite, the moment you think you are just a human, that's when the problem starts. When you receive only that which you judge as correct, you limit possibilities. And when you're functioning from oneness, is the ability to receive people who, what, where, when they are, without judgment. Hey, it's an interesting point of view. They think like that. Just simple as that. अच्छा, उनकी सोच ऐसी है. Interesting. What if everything was just interesting, not because they judge you, not because they are bad, not because of any other reason? What would you like to see on the planet, guys? What would you like to leave this world to your children? What kind of a world would you like to leave to your children? Making a lot sense. You are looking beautiful today as usual. क्या बात है? You made my day, Manisha.
Thank you.
My mirror doesn't tell me. My mirror tells me ये बहुत झुर्रियाँ जल्दी जल्दी हो रही है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. But thank you. You are my mirrors. I'm not listening to that mirror. I'm listening to you and the mirror that is inside. That is why I get up in the morning and have a bath and get ready for you guys. Because I know I'm going to get some compliments. So what would you like to see on the planet? Like the birds don't stop singing if there's a hay day, hair day, they say. The trees will give you fruit no matter what. What if we function like that? No matter what people say about us, we are going to be who we truly be. They don't say, you can't take my fruit. You cut one branch, they don't say, now I will not give you fruit. What if you were as prolific in your creation as the plants and animals you were? What if you were willing to be the gift that you are? What would that be like? A different possibility on planet? A different possibility always, everywhere. I like one clearing that Gary does. He always says that your target should be to never have enough and always plenty. For money, he uses it actually. कि कभी ऐसा ना हो कि बस मुझे इतना ही चाहिए और हमेशा इतना ही हो कि जब मैं खर्चा करती जाऊं तो उतना ही हो. What if everything was like that? The love that you wanted, the ease that you wanted in your world, the joy that you were looking for. Hi, Vanita. Aryavedacharya. Wow. Vidya. Hello. Lovely to have you guys. So, what if you had made your target to never have enough money, but always too much to spend? To never have enough joy, but always so much of more? To never have whatever you want to add into that. Make your target. Actually, you might get into oneness. You might get into consciousness. It's just a choice to have fun with everything that is and never make anything wrong. There is nothing wrong. There is no wrong. There is no right. Guys, there's only 2 minutes left. Anybody has any question or anything to ask? What if our target was to create a sustainable living earth? Would you throw kachra everywhere? Would you buy plastic? Would you... Every movement functioning from consciousness. Let's have that choice. Let's have that awareness. Let's be present with that in every now moment to target to have a sustainable living earth.
फुल ऑक्सीजन मिले हमारे बच्चों को।
बिल्कुल। हमारा हर एक एक्शन, हम सोचते हैं मेरा एक लिफाफा क्या करेगा। That is the awareness of what you'd like to create. You will create a whole different universe. Few of us, maybe 10, 15 that we are here today, those will connect with another 10, 15 each. And that's how you change reality.
Everything is possible.
You will connect with those people who are interested in creating a living earth, not a dying earth. And what does sustainable mean? It doesn't mean to keep it going as it is. Sustainable means to create a generative possibility that allows you to grow and expand through time, space. और कि हम रहे ना रहें, हमारे बच्चे देखें, उनके बच्चे देखें, constant state of growth, not decay. हम सोचते हैं सब चीज खत्म होनी है, हमने भी खत्म होना है, उसने भी खत्म होना है। नहीं, what if nothing was to... there was no decay, there was no finishing line.
केवल हम जाए बाद में दूसरों में जी सकते हैं, ऐसे अच्छा करके जाए।
फिर आ जाते हैं वापस। A sustainable world is where you can have communion with everything around us. Not कि ये वो है, ये मैं हूं, यही मैं हूं, यही... oneness in everything. If a plant is getting hurt, I'm getting hurt. If the animal is getting hurt, I'm getting hurt. If the earth is not breathing well, then I'm not breathing well. We are functioning from creating and generating in every now moment. Sustainable is something that is ongoing, creative and generative, that keeps gifting life and living onto itself. क्योंकि पेड़, जंगलों में जाओ तो पेड़ कटते नहीं है, गिर जाते हैं, वो डिके होते हैं, कीड़ों को खाना मिलता है, वो फिर अर्थ को मिलता है, वो फिर वो खाद बनती है, फिर वो... that's what it is. And we are giving these pesticides and using all this and killing the earth. Every area of your life become present. What do you do when someone disrespects you? Don't take it. Move on. People do things. You can't change them. Can you change people? Can you force them to respect you? No. Ask what works for me. What can I choose here? What can I change here? Stop making others wrong. You have a choice to not be disrespected. You can choose different. What choice can you make today to respect yourself? Are you respecting yourself? When we don't respect ourselves, others don't respect us. What is respect? We allow people to disrespect us. Do you treat you with honor? Do you respect yourself? That's the question you need to ask yourself. Do I respect myself? We don't. Usually we don't respect ourselves. We keep choosing, keep doing things for people to respect us. And they know you are not worthy of respect. How are they going to respect you? Become worthy of the respect. Not become means you're not wrong, you're not right, you're not good or bad. You don't have to become. You are. Remember and honor yourself. Trust yourself, honor. These are the 5 elements. Guys, we are starting a, I haven't decided as yet, but in any of these days, we are choosing to do a WhatsApp work program, which is will be about 10-15 days. And we will talk about intimacy. Intimacy is respect, honor, trust, vulnerability, allowance, and gratitude. You have to have for yourself, for people to have it for you. So we are going to do 5 different Zoom calls on that. There will be clearings, which will be recorded and given. There will be energy polls, and it's going to be, you will be able to ask questions on WhatsApp, also on 5 Zoom calls. If you're interested, please connect with me. And second is, we are starting a book day after, which is Best Juniors, Projections, Expectations, Separations, Judgments, and Rejections by Gary Douglas. That we read in 15 days. So both these, that's starting from 8 to 9 in the morning. So both these things. And on the 13th, we are starting the 70th How to Become Money workbook for 10 days. We read the book in 10 days. So you have so many options to choose from. How does it get any better than this? So please contact me for any of these or one of these, or just to say hi. That is also possible. I think it's more than time. So you have to ask Varsha, you have to ask yourself, do I honor myself? Honor is to treat with the regards. Do you regard yourself? Do you trust yourself? This would be a nice WhatsApp group activity that we are going to do. So please choose it. Okay, guys. Have a Sunday, wonderful Sunday. See you
Thank you.
next
Thank
Sunday
you.
or in one of these calls or somewhere else. Come over to Chandigarh.
Yes.
Bye, guys.
Take care.
Bye, Insta. And
Bye bye, Kapil. Bye
bye,
bye.
guys. Bye, bye. Thank you so much.